Months of heavy rainfall upstream have caused River Tana to overflow once again. Homes are submerged, livelihoods are lost, and thousands of families are displaced. Roads are impassable, communities are cut off. Children face challenges accessing school. Families struggle to access food, clean water, and healthcare. The Kenya Red Cross Society mobilized emergency response efforts, deploying teams to assess the most urgent needs. Yet, communities remain resilient. Neighbors support one another, standing together through difficult times.
Hakuna kisima, hakuna choo, watu iko na shida, hakuna chakula, iko na njaa, kila kitu hakuna.
We've been able to do around 71 latrines in these different camps. We continue to conduct monitoring of the different interventions that have happened since April 17th, when we started having the first shocks of the flooding situation in Tana Delta.
The Kenya Red Cross Society, always there.